Welcome to our guide on using graphic design tools. In today's digital world, these tools are essential for creating stunning visuals that capture attention. Graphic design tools come in two primary types: software applications that you install on your computer and online platforms that you can access through your web browser. When choosing a graphic design tool, look for key features such as ease of use, versatility, customization options, and strong community support for troubleshooting. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide. First, download the software or create an account on an online platform. Next, initiate a new project and choose the right template. Understanding the user interface is crucial. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar, layers panel, and workspace layout to navigate seamlessly. Before creating designs, remember these basic principles: balance, contrast, alignment, repetition, and white space play crucial roles in effective design. To create engaging visuals, utilize templates and assets. They can significantly speed up your design process while still allowing for customization. Exporting your designs is crucial. Make sure to save in the correct file formats for your needs, whether it's for print or online sharing. Encountering issues is normal. Common problems include software crashes and difficulty in saving files. Always check for updates and visit help forums for solutions. In conclusion, keep practicing, seek feedback, and stay updated with trends. Continuous learning is key to mastering graphic design.